Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix VLC media player is lagging, skipping or freezing when you are playing 4K or 1080p HD videos on Windows 11. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video I will walk you through 5 simple fixes to make your video playback very smoothly. So let's get started. Okay, open the VLC media player, go to tools, go to preferences. I'm going to show you some important settings. You should also do this on your VLC media player. After opening the preferences, here you can get the option show all settings. Just you need to select all like this, and in the left panel first need to double click on your input codecs like this. Okay, and in the right panel here you can get the option preferred video resolution. You need to select it best available like this, and once again in the left panel double click on your input codecs, scroll down and open the advanced. In the file caching section guys, here you need to double this number. So for example, in my VLC media player the number is 300. I will double it to 600. If you are seeing the number 1000, you need to double it to 2000 like this. Okay, once again go to input codec section like this, extend this, select video codec, extend this, and here you can get the option FFFM patch. Select it, and in the right panel here you can get the threads. You need to set it to 3. Delete this 0 and set it to 3. Okay, once again go to the left panel, and here you need to select X to 64. Okay, and here you need to check the number of references frame. Here you need to set it to 3. Okay, once this completed guys, scroll down, and here you can get the option videos. Extend this, select output modules like this, and in the right panel here you can get the option video output module. Extend this, here you need to select automatic. Okay, after this guys, here you need to click on save. After changing every setting, you need to click on save like this. Okay, now once again go to tools, go to preferences, and here you can get the option input codecs, select it, and hardware acceleration decoding. Here you need to disable this, or already disabled you need to set it to automatic. Okay, like this, and then click on save. One more thing is this guys, you need to also update your VLC media player. Go to help, go to check for updates, and if the update is available, simply go ahead update your PC. That's it. So some more basic important setting is this guys. You need to update your Windows 11 as well. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for updates. If the update is available, go to simply update your PC. And one more thing, these guys, you need to also update your VLC media player. Okay, sorry, you need to update your graphic card. To update the graphic card, you need to open the device manager, go to display adapter, extend this, right click on your graphic card, and simply update it from here. Okay, like this. So these are the easy and simple method to play your resolution 4K 1080p videos smoothly on your VLC media player. So that's all today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.